Hello everyone, I am Nita Bhalchandra Dhoye, student from Brisang Training Consultancy of Dhankod. Today I will share video on technical topics. The topic is Pharmacovigilance Global Guidelines. Let's start these topics. Pharmacovigilance Global Guidelines refers to the regulatory framework and best practices for the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse drug reaction or any other drug related problems. These guidelines are followed internationally to ensure the safety and efficacy of medicines throughout their life cycle. Some of the key global pharmacovigilance guidelines included. There are the five global pharmacovigilance guidelines is the E2A to E2A to E2G. First is the International Council of Harmonization, ICH E2E. Pharmacovigilance guidelines. International Council of Harmonization. These guidelines provide a framework for the safety of pharmaceutical product and the management of adverse event reporting. They are intended to ensure that data on the safety of medicine are collected, evaluated and accepted the systematically in the conference with regulatory requirements. Next is the European Medicine Agency, EMA, Good Pharmacovigilance Practices. The EMA Good Pharmacovigilance Practices guidelines offers a comprehensive framework for the collection, analysis and reporting of pharmacovigilance data within the European Union. The guidelines include requirement for risk management plan, signal detection and post-market surveillance. Next is the third is the World Health Organization Pharmacovigilance Guidelines. World Health Organization provide global standard for pharmacovigilance, especially throughout its UPSAL Monitoring Center. The WHO program for international drug monitoring collect and evaluate adverse drug reaction reports from member countries to enhance global drug safety. Next is the MEDRA, Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities. MEDRA is an internationally recognized classification system of adverse event term. It is used globally in pharmacovigilance to standardize the terminology used in adverse drug reaction, facilitate assistance reporting to analyze safety data. MEDRA in which the coded to the disease, diagnosis, surgery and any other medical related problems are the coded in the MEDRA, and MEDRA is used to the regulatory authority and other pharma company and which are the international dictionary. Next is the Food and Drug Administration. Food and Drug Administration oversees pharmacovigilance throughout its regulation related to risk evaluation and mitigation strategies. And the FDA adverse event reporting system. The FDA monitoring the safety of drug and biologics on the market, ensuring proper post-marketing surveillance and reporting. Next is the International Society of Pharmacovigilance, is the SOPs. Is a professional society focused on advancing the science and practice of pharmacovigilance globally. It provides resource, training and research related to drug safety monitoring. These guidelines is collectively aim to promote the safe use of medicine and enhance global pharmacovigilance practices, ensuring the prompt identification of risk, effective management of adverse event and improve the patient safety. These are the main goals of the ICH guidelines. ICH guidelines which are provide the safety of drug and minimize the error of the drug and these are the ICH global guidelines are refers to the regulatory framework and best practices. These guidelines are followed internationally to ensure the safety and efficacy of medicine throughout their life cycle. These are the whole information about the pharmacovigilance global guidelines. Thank you so much.